So this here is my homemade bicycle camper tent. I just took an old ice fishing shanty and put it on a frame that is 32 inches wide, 6 feet long. I'm not sure how high off the ground, maybe 40 inches or so, 3 feet at the most. Got a little window in the sides, both windows. As you've seen, the window in the back. It ain't perfect, but something to build, but some scrap I had laying around. Here's the door. Along the side, same thing. Now, it's an ice fishing shanty, so obviously it wouldn't have a screen door, so I took an old tent I had and took the door portion with the screen and sewed around so I would have a screen door in the summertime and still be able to camp and not be roasting my brains out inside an ice fishing shanty. Up there is a little floater spot, so there's little clips and you clip them down, slide the poles down. This pole disconnects up there, same with this pole, disconnects up there. I'm still not done, I got some work to do up in the rafter parts, but and then you put your sleeping bag and your clothes and everything in here, well, your sleeping bag and your sleeping gear, and then you close it all down. It should fold in on itself, and then when it's done, fold it in. I'll wrap it with a couple of nice heavy-duty tarps like this, and that'll keep the rain off it while I'm riding down the road. And here's the storage unit under here, regular bicycle stroller thing. And this is where you would hook it up to your bicycle, right to your back seat. Swivel. And then you put all your luggage in there. My luggage and my dog will fit in there, believe it or not. And my gold mining shit. And here's a small luggage area in the back as well. These wheels are specialized, this trailer is, so it takes any size wheel. So I could put a 20-inch pair on there if I had to for an emergency. It'll be a low rider and scrape the ground a little, but it would work in a pinch. So I'll just carry an extra 26-inch rim with me. Either way, rim and tire, just in case spoke breaks or I get a flat, I could just quick swap out. And that's my idea so far. Got a lot of sewing to do. I got to get plywood for the bottom. That's only really thin board I just had laying around my room. I'll update next time I get into it.